Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, March 26th. Looking at the current water vapor imaging, you see that the high pressure ridging we had over us yesterday is now kind of moved off to the east, allowing southwest flow, bringing some moisture into our area. You can see there's a broad upper level low off our coast, and there's going to be a couple waves of moisture move through before this low moves through our area Thursday into Friday. Looking at the regional radar loop, you can see the moisture that's going to move over us this afternoon is just hitting the Idaho border. Expect some light precip this afternoon. I'll show you that here, but in general, you can see that move through this afternoon over the Central Mountains late this morning into the afternoon. 1 to 2 inches expected, and then some lingering 1 to 2 inches into Wednesday morning with a bigger band of moisture moving through, with the boundary moving through Wednesday late afternoon into, you can see, Thursday morning as it moves across our eastern areas. And then it just kind of starts to fill that low and just some light lingering wraparound moisture as we get into Friday. And you're looking at the surface front, you can see that it is showing some precip across our area. Again, that's going to be late this morning into the afternoon, and it's primarily going to be the Central Mountains, a little bit in the Pacimoroys. As you look at our max temperature today, you can see that it's going to even rise where we had yesterday, 4 to 8 degrees, maybe 5 to 10 degrees above normal today. And then snow levels will be around 6,500 to 7,000 feet. You can see the 1 to 2 inches mainly in the Central Mountains. And as you go into day 2, more white precip as you go into Wednesday. Again, the greater precip is going to be kind of behind this boundary, moving through Wednesday late afternoon into Wednesday evening, and like I said, it's into Thursday morning for some. And I'll show you, here's the temperatures, still even a little bit warmer. This is definitely in the 5 to 10 range above normal for Wednesday. And as you look here, you can see that this is Thursday. You continue to have moisture across our area. Again, the heavier band is going to be along our eastern border early in the morning, and that snow level will start to drop by that point around 6,500, maybe 6,000 feet. As you look at our max temperatures, they do drop to just around normal temperatures. And then as you go for our total storm for Wednesday and Thursday, again, the bigger band is that Wednesday and the Thursday. You can see a quarter to half an inch, and then you see the half an inch to an inch up here in the Central Mountains. The concern here would be in these lower areas that have a lot of snow, like Bellevue and such, that if you get a half an inch of rain on snow, and then temperatures remaining above freezing overnight, particularly Wednesday morning, there could be a concern there. So we'll be watching that for any potential type of ponding flood. We're not worried about any river flooding at this point. Then here's our snowfall amounts. Again, Wednesday through Thursday is with that bigger band. You can see some areas here, 6 to 8. But in general, we're in that 3 to 6 range. And then you can see also along the Montana Divide, we're seeing some 3 to 6 range as well. And then generally 1 to 2 in the mountains elsewhere, maybe some isolated 3 pockets as far as the snow in the mountains. Again, that's above 6,500 feet for all these snow amounts. And then long term, you can see that low kind of gives us some wraparound into Friday or even Saturday morning, some of our areas. And then we have another kind of boundary move overhead over us to our northern areas, and then kind of move into us Monday. And then you can see it just continues to have some waves of moisture move through us, but at this point, that's too far out to kind of tell exactly where the heavier bands will hit. But the point here is there's going to be quite a bit of moisture still remaining through. Looks like it will be kind of, I'll repeat this again, maybe a little bit of a lull, although cloudy on Saturday. And you see late into Sunday and Monday, kind of the next round of moisture comes, and that continues Tuesday and Wednesday as well. But this will change as far as the exact timing and when and where these exactly hit. As of note, I will say behind that boundary on Thursday, it will be a little bit breezy. Doesn't look like wind advisory criteria, but it is going to be breezy across the Snake River Plain. And then as you go into your temperatures, they again near normal to maybe slightly below normal behind that boundary. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thank you.